Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. We're a professional cleaning company out of Kitchener, Ontario. So if you're interested in professional tile and grout cleaning or carpet and upholstery cleaning content, then you found the right place. So please like and subscribe to our channel. And of course, share this with your friends and family. We'd really appreciate that. So today we're working on some textured tile, and our client called us up because she was having a heck of a time mopping the floor and keeping it looking clean, because every time she mopped the floor would look dirtier and dirtier. As you can see, it just holds all that dirt in the textured part of the tile. So she calls us out at least once a year. We come on out and we turbo power wash it with our turbo hybrid and put a shine on her floor again. So if you are looking for any tile and grout cleaning in Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, or Guelph, please give us a call at 519-208-8533 or visit us at our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca. Thank you.